Welcome to Tuesday, September 15th, week 2. First, you are going to watch this video that explains the assignments for the day. And then you're going to click Async. Today you have 2 activities to complete. The first activity is an article from the change agent. Always remember to read all of the directions before you begin. Read the directions, read the article. You also have the option to listen to the article as you read it for pronunciation. And then you are going to make a comment. Please, please, please check spelling before you post. Our second activity is sorting and categorizing. So you are going to click on this link and you are going to make 3 categories here with these 3 regions, and you will put the correct country that goes under each. After you are done, take a screenshot and you will upload the picture in the comment box. You will click File and upload your picture. And that's it for asynchronous work. Now we are going to go to synchronous. It is Tuesday, so we have Zoom class together. Let's go into sync. Here is our agenda. We will do some more community building and talk about study buddies. We will also talk about empathy and sympathy. And we will go over the assignments for tomorrow, Wednesday. And that's it for Tuesday, September 15th. Good luck.